Greetings traders, it's Monday, June 25th, 2018. I've been doing some trading and doing recording, and I messed up the recording, so I don't have it, couldn't recover it either. Anyway, I am going to do some more trading here. I am looking for an entry right now into a go-to trade, and I am prepared to take it. I'll be right back. Oh, by the way, it's a little bit tricky this morning. We know that the code's coming at the temp, so that's useful. And but it was a little bit tricky. I took a couple trades and lost a trade. Took like 3 trades and lost one, 2, come out ahead, 30 ticks. But I was ahead more. But anyway, I'm going to take another trade. I'm still looking for an entry here. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got a short entry. I'll be right back. I'm going to reset the stop. Okay, the stop defaulted at 20 ticks. That was the perfect stop anyway. So it's sitting up at 68.69. And that's where it defaulted to. Just to be a happenstance. Anyway, I am going to go for a 30 tick trade here. Puts me down at 68.19. And let's take a look at the daily. Alright, let's take a look at the low here. The low is at 68.16, so I'm sitting 3 ticks above the low right there. Let's take a look back at the 10 minute. Okay, just waiting for it to break down here. I'll be back. Oh, by the way, it has been mathematically confirmed it's a short entry, so we're going to be going down here. And I'm just looking to get a nice 30 tick trade out of this. I'll come back. See where we are here on the daily chart. So just looking for it to come down here and go red. Got a nice move up, went a little bit above, nice line down. This is classic. This is classic, and I'm just trying to take a nice little 30 tick trade out of this is all I'm trying to get. I could go for more, but I'm just going to go for 30. The beautiful thing about the codes is that you can control it to such a degree. You just feel, good in knowing that you can just make these solid trades. Now, if you felt like gambling and wanted to go for more, go for it. I mean, this is the place to do something like that. You can get some nice sized trades. This thing could end up looking like, well, something like this, where it went green and then went back red hard. It could do that. Let's see if we can find another one. Well, here's one. Went green and went back red hard. That type of thing. Or how about this one? Green and went a little bit above and went back red hard. It went all the way back down almost to the bottom of the green. It's probably not going to do that because this is 350 ticks, but it might come back down to halfway or so. Could be a good big day. I'm not saying it will be. I'm just saying it could be. Where's my exit at? 19. Okay. Still got a long ways to go, but I'm not going to gamble that. I'm just going to go for controlled 30 ticks. And also, the code by itself defaults and says that I should be able to get these 30 ticks. How do I know that? Because I do the charting every day, and I see the code every day, and I know what it's good for. So, it's all a very controlled thing when you use the code. And it's controlled when you're right, it's controlled when you're wrong. And that's the beautiful thing about the system. Not just that it works so good, but also it's so controlled. Anyway, I'll come back. Oh, and one reason why you could easily go for more ticks is because, like I say, see the low is at 68.16, and my exit is at 68.19. So it hits my exit, and if it hits this, the 68.16, and goes below, it's likely to go, could go a lot more below. But it's likely to go further below. So, you could place another 20 ticks on it and possibly quite easily get it. But again, I'm just going to go for the 30 and show controlled trades like I've been doing, and show how powerful that you don't have to just take one trade. You can take multiple trades throughout a day and do really, really super well. Anyway, I'll come back. Oh, for those of you who are going to ask me the question, how did I know to take that trade, Decode Traders? I was using there was two code ones back to back saying go short. I was taking that trade. I was going short off of two code ones saying go short. Off of the temp. Actually, off of the special and the temp. So either one of those would be right. It would work. That's why I took the entry. This thing's very choppy, chopping up and down. Still, code looking very good though. Code looking very good. It's just temporarily moving up here. You can see it. It's going to turn back around. It's going to break below this low and go lower. And go down and hit the exit. For a nice controlled mathematical 30-tick trade using the codes. I used two code 1 entries for the entry, and then I'm in a code 2 trade, tracking it into charting service. Anyway, I'll be back. This particular one is actually a code 2 special, and the other ones I was taking was the main code 2. Anyway, I'll come back. And when I say main code 2, what I mean is that code 2 was the one called in my charting. That code 2 was the one that I said I was going to take in the charting service. So that's what I mean by the main code 2. Okay, it's starting to move down here. Still got a ways to go though, all the way down to 19 to hit the exit. I'll come back. Just going for the bottom here. As you can see, there it goes. Just drop below. Okay, getting in striking distance here of the exit. Nice controlled 30-tick trade using the codes and using code 2. There is nothing like using the codes. Don't let anybody fool you. You've seen it for yourself. Come on. Where did it go down to? Just taking a look at the bar here. It went down to 20 and I'm at 19. They're doing that to me a lot lately. You know, actually this thing's going to be worth a lot more. I'm going for more ticks. Taking it down. It's going to be worth a lot more here. Where am I at? 25. Okay. Hang on a second. I'll be right back. Okay, right now I've got it at 09 for 40 ticks. I should probably go for more. What's the code look like here? Let's take a look at the daily. Check this out. Okay, see, we're at the bottom now and we're going lower. It's just a matter of how low will it go. I believe that we've got a short entry. We have a possible short entry off of another code 2. I can't tell for sure. Okay, we better go for more. If it is a short entry, it's going to go down a lot more. Let me take it down to 99. Okay. Okay, I'll be right back. I need to calculate something. Okay, I've currently got the exit sitting at 67.99 for a 50-tick trade. We're looking at the daily here. Look, it's looking beautiful. Coming down. It's just a matter of how low it will go. That I cannot say. But I was going for 30. I'm going for an extra 20 now at 50. Let's see if we can just hit this 50 here. There's a pretty good chance I can hit it. But the problem is that we are looking at the last code 2 that's going to come. That should come here as it forms on the chart. And it could be a long. It could go long here at any time. And I don't want to get caught when it goes long. So I really want to see it slide down some more here. And just slide down another 20 ticks and come down to my exit. If it's going to do it, it should do it. But I've got it against the ropes here. Here we go. We've got it mathematically. See, when you're ever in a position like that on a daily, and the code says go short, and you're short in it, you know, you're sitting good. You're really in a great position. You're exactly where you want to be as a trader. You're in the maximum mathematical position that you can pretty much be in. And it's not time to get scared. It's a time to calculate your exit and go for a nice trade. Anyway, I will come back. Okay, I've got my exit calculated here. If it were to hit, stand by, 68.16, I'm going to get out. 68.16, I jump out of the trade. 13, 14, 15. Okay, I'm out. Out right there. It is a possibility. Actually, I could take another trade right here if I wanted to, but I don't want to. I'm just call it a day. All right. So, you know, using the codes is so powerful, so lucrative, so it's just that, you know, to trade without the codes would be an act of insanity. I mean, it'd be crazy to trade without the codes. The only reason why you never trade without the codes is because you're ignorant of the codes. Nobody would trade without the codes if they knew them. You know, there's nothing like using the codes for your entries. You know, to take entries and also to track it and know how much you should be going for, and you know, et cetera, et cetera. I mean, just there's nothing like it. You cannot compare the code to anything else, any other kind of trading. You know, with oil, it's like you know, handed to us on a gold and silver platter, this beautiful gift that we have this code for us. It's like, you know, nothing we'll ever have again in this life as far as I know. And so anyway, I hope all of you traders out there are hitting these trades, the code traders. Hope you're all doing well, especially you charting subscribers. You probably got a little bit tricked out today, you know, but we'll talk about that in the charting. And now we know what it's going to be coming at. So we don't have to worry the rest of the week, basically. We'll know to watch out for it. Exactly what it did today. This thing's going lower. I could take a trade right here and go short. It's probably going to keep on going. I got a little too early there. Oh well. I'm all done for today. Hope you traders are doing good. Hope all of you traders who are not code traders, that you are being inspired and convinced, and you should jump on board and learn to use the codes and start doing your own trading. Anyway, I'm going to get going, everyone. I will see you for tomorrow's trading. Hope everyone's doing good at your trading. Happy trading out there, everybody. See you tomorrow.